Hello and welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to set up booking policies that help you control how members reserve bookable resources like meeting rooms. You'll see how to configure rules like booking durations, buffer times, check-in requirements, and approval workflows. Please note, admin bookings made in the admin portal are not affected by these rules, as they apply to member bookings only. Under your calendar and booking settings, open the default policy at the bottom of the screen. As the name suggests, this default policy is automatically applied to every new resource rate you create and assign to your bookable resources, unless you manually update it. All rules for your active and non-active members can be found in this dialog. If the rules for both groups are the same, simply click the checkbox under the non-active member rule section and apply the settings in the section above it. Let's take a closer look at what's available. You have the settings for the maximum and minimum duration of a booking in hours. You can also configure whether to allow recurring bookings and whether bookings require members to have booking coins or credits. Next, you'll see settings for recurring booking span and how far ahead bookings can be created. Use the Request Approval option when bookings made by that member type, active or non-active, need manual review before they're confirmed. Once enabled, the booking stays tentative until an admin approves it. Another useful feature is the Require Check-in option. When enabled, any booking without a checked-in member will be automatically cancelled, freeing up the space for other customers. You can also enable booking reminder notifications to automatically send a reminder email. This helps reduce no-shows and keeps your space running efficiently. Finally, use buffer time to prevent back-to-back bookings. It lets you automatically insert a short break before each booking starts. This gives your team time to reset the space and avoid scheduling delays. The non-active member rules have the exact same list of features that you can review and update as needed. If you have specific spaces, such as conference rooms or event venues, that follow their own booking rules, create a dedicated booking policy for each set of rules. Then link the policy to the corresponding resource rate under the Advanced tab of the rate. Finally, check if that rate is linked to the resource under the Space module. Only after linking both the booking policy to the resource rate and the rate to the resource itself, can you be sure the rules will apply. And that's our quick guide to setting up booking policies in OfficeRnD. For more detailed guides, visit our Help Center. Thanks for watching.